Okay, so we're getting ready to here to go deliver all these donations that we got. I recently just went and got some milk for babies. I bought it at the local grocery store here in Tecate, Mexico, because I thought it was a better deal for the milk. And I'm gonna be delivering that to the orphanage. This is some of the money that I got from a Patreon account that I received a little bit of funds there, and we were able to get together some donations that were given to my wife over here too. These cookies and stuff by one of her friends, the salon, and she brought this here, and some clothes that we also been donated that we're gonna be delivering to the rehab in Tecate. I think the guys' clothes we're gonna deliver that there, and then we're gonna find out where to take these girls' clothes here to another rehab for women, and some baby clothes that we're getting ready to get, and maybe some toys that we got, semi-new toys. So please stay with us and watch us go deliver this stuff and give it away, and and show you guys that this stuff is actually being delivered and being given away. That's why I do this. So if you guys donate anything, remember, you know that I'm gonna make a video and donate it and show you guys. I'll post this video obviously, and I'll show you guys what's going on after that. And please, if you want to support my channel, there's a link down in the description, a Patreon account. You guys can donate money, and that's how I get a lot of this milk. I just go buy it, and deliver it. I'm planning to go buy more, but for now that's what we got. So stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so here we are. We just got to the rehab where Wes and Ron, and then they actually put a ceiling on this rehab. I don't know if you guys can see through the video, but they put a whole ceiling because this place was horrible. It was falling apart. They actually recently just did the electricity, So I want to thank all you guys who donated these clothes and stuff that I would been able to bring. I want to thank Tony Hernandez and his friends who actually did some donations here too. I mean, most of the donations were for the orphanage, which will be going right now. But I still gave them some of the cookies, that and stuff like that. And these people appreciate this stuff. They get so happy. They get excited. Because I mean, this place, it's got 18 people in there right now, and dealing with 18 people. And this is this orphanage doesn't charge anything. It's just they just pick up people, receive people who are really sick and on the streets. They show up to the rehab, and they just take care of them with no cost. So this is priceless, guys. So thank you so much for your donations. All right, so you guys saw we just delivered the clothes and some pads and pants and a little bit of food, and I also found out there's 18 people in there right now in rehab center. So I'm glad I brought enough clothes for them so they can have it. Now our next stop is gonna be at the orphanage. So we'll be seeing you guys there delivering this stuff. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we are. We just arrived. This is the outside of the orphanage. There's all the olives where they make olive oil, and they make some profit off of that. And we just arrived here. There's nobody outside because it's hot. Oh, the sign's gone to it. So let's drive in real quick and see if Caesar's there, and maybe we can just drop off the stuff. You'll see a little one right there. There's a little one standing right in that door. Alright, so let's just go there and check it out. Okay, so Caesar was not at the orphanage because I just walked up to the guy and he said he's not here right now. He's out doing something, Caesar is the orphanage director. If you guys want to get to know him and know what he's like and hear his story, I have a video about him that I have an interview with him. And you guys are more welcome to look on the description down below this video. There will be a little arrow on the side of the video. Click on the arrow and it'll open up some links where you guys can watch the video and watch what he's like. I'm gonna even post some other videos of me visiting the kids, the orphanage, and when I have actual interact with the kids face to face, and I have live footage when I'm inside their bedrooms where they sleep and all that stuff. So you guys want to go ahead and check those out. That'll be great. Also, one more thing, all these videos that you guys, all these donations that I get from people, and I'm praying that I get more. Not just for my own benefit, to help my channel grow, but to be able to bless other people who are in need. And I'm just starting with this orphanage. I've been doing this for 9 months, donating stuff. God's put it in my heart to go to orphanages and help out and reach out. But I need to keep growing, and keep blessing people. The most important is to bless people bless others and not bless myself. Blessing others blesses me because I am blessed already, just by having a healthy life, and having a great family, and just being able to drive there and get there. It's already a blessing for me to be able to just show up there and meet all those kids. If you guys watch my live footage, you guys will get to see what I'm talking about. It's an amazing orphanage. The director is an amazing director, so I suggest you guys please watch that link, watch that video again of him and me interviewing him, and get to feel what he's like. I don't have the words. Why don't you guys just hear it yourself, and please continue to help and share these videos and subscribe and like and do all that stuff that helps me to be able to do these things more.